What's your story? O, di ba, linyahan ng mga kontrabida sa pelikula. Bakit nga ba karamihan sa atin kino-consider na ang kumita ng pera online? Well, for me, it's because of less job opportunities. Totoo, walang halong biro. Ang hirap makahanap ng trabaho ngayon. Makahanap ka man, yung trabaho naman ang ayaw sa'yo. Tumigil ako sa crochet business ko because of privacy. So, when you make an online presence, you are exposing yourself to the public. Regardless of the limited information that you may be giving to the people, they will always have ways. BDO ika nga. Any misinformation against you may have a great impact or is very crucial to your online business. Lalo na kung online ka kasi umaasa ka lang sa benta mo online dahil wala kang physical store. Whether online seller ka, vlogger, influencer, or content creator, you are creating a brand. You are your brand. You are the brand. At kapag medyo nakikilala ka na, expect that you will have haters, silent haters pa nga eh. And they will team up against you, blindly hating you for whatever reason they have. To cut the story short, they can have their opinion, but you can't have yours. The thing about business nowadays is sellers are no longer selling products. They're selling ideas, opinions, gossips. The crucial the story, the better. Parang ganun. Kaya medyo very competitive na ang pagiging online seller kasi it's no longer a matter of creating the product, but how do you sell the product? O, diba? Parang sa call center interview lang. Reality check, totoo. Di ba halos lahat ng produkto na binibenta ngayon palagi may backstory, may drama, kumbaga. Yung iba nga halos hindi na related sa product. Minsan may product pero pag kinlik mo, iba naman yung product sa online shop. Misleading, di ba? Madalas pa hindi tugma sa picture yung dumating sa'yo. Napahaba tuloy yung kwento ko. Pero yes, yan yung main reason why huminto ako sa crochet business and considered applying for a job. Siguro ang advice ko lang, ko lang, ko lang if you want to make your crochet business work is huwag kang mag-join ng groups, gather more ideas, huwag kang magre-rely sa sasabihin nila kasi what works for you will not work for them. Especially if you're the hardworking type na kayang i-strategize ang pagkukrochet into maximizing your time para mas makabenta ka ng marami. At minsan din kasi nai-influensyan din tayo ng mga ideas na hindi nga nag-work sa kanila. Sa'yo pa kaya? Kaya focus ka na lang. Crochet sell, crochet sell, crochet sell. Communicate with your customers kasi sila yung bibili sa'yo. So, sila yung magbabayad sa'yo. Huwag kang mag-focus dun sa competitors mo. Sa sasabihin nila. Okay? So, understand kung ano yung gustong ipagawa sa'yo ni customers. Be friendly. Alam mo yun, be accommodating na yung talagang ipakita mo na gusto mo talagang yung ginagawa mo and it is really for the customer satisfaction, nothing more or nothing else. Syempre, di ba, para makabenta ka, but yes, that should also be the reason kung bakit that is one of the best reason kung bakit alam mo yun, babalikan ka ng customer kasi magiging loyal sa'yo yung customer kumbaga kapag, na-address mo yung main concern nila. Bakit ka related na to sa ibang topic? Pero, ayun na nga. That's it for now, guys. I hope na-motivate po kayo and if type niyo tong story session natin, please comment below for support. Please like and follow and subscribe and share. Have a great day. Next time ulit, okay? Yan. Umuulan na. Pero, sige, ingat kayo. Bye!